Hello children and welcome to English class. This is part 2 of lesson 3, Little Red Hen. We have already done part 1, the reading of the lesson. In part 2 children, we will be understanding the word meaning of the new words and also underline the new words of the lesson. Let us start with the word meaning of this lesson. Children, there are 6 new words whose word meaning you are going to understood. So, let's read these new words and their meaning. The first word is noisy, and noisy means one who talks too much. Children, it is a loud and unpleasant voice, like in this lesson, the voice of a duck. So noisy means one who talks too much, loud and in unpleasant manner. The next word is buried. Buried means put under the ground. When we place something or cover up something under the ground, we call it as buried. Like in this lesson, the little red hen buried a wheat under the ground. Next word is ripe, and ripe means full grown or ready to eat. When something is developed to the point of readiness for harvesting and eating, we call it as ripe. So the meaning of ripe is full grown or ready to eat. Like here in this lesson, the wheat was fully ripe. Next word is thresh, and the meaning of thresh is to separate the grains from the plant by beating. In this lesson, the little red hen, she thrashed the wheat grains from the plant, and it is done by the process of beating. So the word meaning of thresh is to separate the grains from the plant by beating. Next word is bill. Children, bill means it is a tool to cut, or you can say or understand it is a cutting tool with a wooden handle and a curved blade terminating in a hook at its tip. It is generally used for pruning and chopping, etc., for such kind of purpose. So, with this we have done the word meaning of new words. Now children, we will be underlining the new words of this lesson in the book. And your homework is to write down these new words in your notebook. Now children, open your book, lesson number 3, Little Red Hen. Underline the words. Noisy. The first word is noisy. Underline it. The next word that you will underline is grains. Now underline wheat. Next word that you will underline is buried. Underline the word buried. And then underline the word ripe. Now see on the next page. Word thresh. Underline it. Next word is bench. Underline the word bench. Next word that you will underline is floor. And then underline the word bread. Now children, turn the page and underline the last word, baked. And with this children, we have underlined the 10 new words of this lesson, lesson number 3. Now your homework is to write down these 10 new words in your notebook and learn their spellings as well. So children, in part 2, we have done lesson number 3, Little Red Hen, word meaning of new words. We have underlined the new words and your homework is to write new words in your notebook and learn them. Children, when we understand, read and learn new words, it enriches our vocabulary. So keep learning and keep filling your jar of knowledge.